Determine whether the relationship between the two quantities in the table is linear. If so, determine the constant rate of change. If not, explain our reasoning. So, in order to determine if this is a linear relationship, we're going to look and see, do we have a constant rate of change within our distance, and do we have a constant rate of change within our minutes? So let's look at our y values first. In order to go from 2 to 4, we are increasing by 2. In order to go from 4 to 5, we're increasing by 1. In order to go from 5 to 6, we're increasing by 1. Then we're going to look at our time over here. So then we need to determine what are we increasing by each time. So to go from 15 to 30, we are adding 15 minutes. To go from 30 to 45, we are adding 15 minutes. To go from 45 to 60, we are adding 15 minutes. Now over here, it looks pretty consistent. But if you look over here, we're no longer consistent. So if I find my rate of change for each one of these, I'm going to determine that this is probably not going to be a linear relationship because we're not going to get the constant rate of change for each one. So let's look at this first one. It says 2 and 15. So I'm going to put my change in y over my change in x. So if I do 2 divided by 15, or 2/15, and then I look at the next one, and it's the change in y over the change in x is 1 over 15. 2/15 and 1/15 are not the same. Therefore, this is not a linear relationship. Because it is not a linear relationship, it also does not have a constant rate of change.